Morning student, hope all are well at home. So as per the instruction of Central Government of India, you should wear proper mask or sanitizer for yourself or save your health. So today we discuss about in this lecture measurement of health related fitness, and we have many tests. First one is cardiorespiratory test, fitness test for 3 minute step test. Second is muscular strength. Third is push-ups. Fourth one is muscular endurance, and fifth is flexibility test, sit and reach test. Now we discuss about first one is cardiorespiratory fitness test. So what is the measurement of health related fitness actually? So physical fitness is defined as a set of attributes that people have or achieve that are related to capability of perform any activity. In other words, it is more than being able to run a long distance or lift a lot of weight at the gymnasium or any category. So being a fit is not defined only by what kind of activity you do or what kind of level of intensity. Okay, now we discuss about first one is cardiorespiratory endurance. So according to Carvin, cardiorespiratory endurance is ability of the body's circulatory and respiratory system to supply fuel during sustained physical activities. So it is require a strong heart, healthy living and clear blood vessels to supply body with all the oxygen. Okay, so now we discuss about measurement of cardiorespiratory. So what kind of test we use on here? So this is test for 3 minute step test. So what kind of equipment used for this test? So equipment for this test, stopwatch, and we have one kind of bench. We have maximum 30 centimeter height of this bench, and stopwatch also we need. So what kind of procedure for this test? The individual to be tested step and down, up and down the bench for continuously for 3 minutes. Second, after complete of test, the subject sit down and remain still. And the last, that heart rate is then measured and recorded. So what kind of scoring, how to measure it? The heart rate of 1 minute post exercise subject score for this test. What test? 3 minute step test. Now we discuss about second, muscular strength, or what kind of test used for this test. So muscular strength actually. Muscular strength is good test we use for partial pull-up. What kind of equipment we use this test? For flat surface and mat we need, and stopwatch also. So now we discuss about procedure of this test. To start by laying on the back with knees bent and feet about 12 inches from the hip actually. Second, the arm bar extend and kept at side. Third, the subject slowly lift the shoulder and trunk upward to around 30 degree and touches his or her knees with the hands. So this is the partial pull-up for the stomach exercise. Now we discuss about scoring of this test. Record the number of correctly performed pull-ups with the given in times. So this is maybe in minute 30, 40, 60. So you should write 30 pull-ups, 40 pull-ups. Okay. Now we discuss about third test, push-ups. So push-up test we discuss about push-up. So the purpose of this is to measure upper chest and shoulder strength. So what kind of equipment we use? Stopwatch for this test for important. And what kind of procedure for this test? The subject should begin at a position on hands and toes with hand. Okay, kept shoulder width apart, the elbows fully extend. Now drop the hips until the shoulder, hip and knees are in straight line. Then push up back up straight position. In this complete one push-up. You should count one push-up. Okay. What is scoring? How to give it? So 1 point is given each time when the subject complete a push-ups. Okay. Now we discuss about muscular endurance for 6 centimeter run and walk. So what is a muscular endurance? It's the ability of muscle to continue perform without fatigue to improve your work, endurance, cardiorespiratory activity such as walking, jogging, bicycling or dancing or aerobic exercise. Or what kind of you should take test on 600 meter walk and test for this. So what is the purpose of this test? To measure endurance and aerobic fitness of the body. Okay, equipment, stopwatch, track, UVD track for 600 meter maximum, and procedure of this test, the subject should run and walk 600 meter. Okay, maybe walk, maybe run. Okay, the scoring time is recorded in minutes and seconds and take as a score for this test. Now we discuss about flexibility test. What is the discuss about flexibility and what is for test for sit and reach test to measure flexibility of lower back and hamstring muscle. What kind of equipment used for this test? Flat surfaces, mat, sit and reach box, maximum 20 inches height of this boots. Now we discuss about procedure of this test. The individual to be tested first removes his shoes and sit on the floor with knees fully extended, feet shoulder width apart and soles of the feet held flat against on the end of the box. Okay. Second, with the hands on the top of the each other, palms down and leg flags. The student stretch along the measurement diagram as far as possible. Third is after 3 practice, reach the fourth reach is held while the distance is recorded. Last, the purpose is to reach forward as possible as possible. Maximum how much he forward on a test. So in the last we discussed about score of this test. The distance is recorded in centimeter. That's the most important. Centimeter. If you count in centimeter, you should be right on centimeter recorded. So in this test, we discuss about all health related physical fitness tests and how do we conduct of test with strength, endurance, speed, and flexibility. So thank you so much. In next lecture, we discuss about another topic.